Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the BitLocker recovery screen issue during boot on Windows 11. That annoying screen that asks you every time for a recovery key, as you can see guys in my screen when you start your PC. Let's fix it permanently in just a few simple steps. First, you need to understand why this happened. BitLocker is a drive encryption feature that protects your data in your PC. Sometime after BIOS update, hardware changes or Windows reset, at the time BitLocker thinks your system has been tampered, and as a result it prompts for the recovery key to verify your identity. So how to verify your identity? So you can do this thing to fix this problem on your other computer, other device, or in your other mobile phone. So just you need to follow this method. Open any web browser, and in the Google you need to log in with the same Microsoft account which you have logged in your PC. And then after logging, in the left panel go to devices section. In the devices section, here you can get the device list where your Microsoft account was logged in. From here you need to find out your PC name and just click on see details like this. Okay, and in the details, in the BitLocker data, here you can get the 48-digit BitLocker recovery key. Okay, write it down or take a picture from your phone. You will need in the next step. Now go back to your locked computer and enter that recovery key on the BitLocker screen. Once it verifies, Windows will unlock and boot normally. Okay, as you can see guys, after doing this guys, but remember this is only a temporary fix. Now let's make sure this issue does not happen again. To do this guys, in your Windows, press Windows key button, and here you need to search in the start menu, manage BitLocker, and then hit enter from your keyboard. And from here you need to select your system drive. It is usually C drive. Here you can get the option turn off BitLocker. So I have already turned it off, so that's why it is showing turn on. So just click on turn off. That's it. Confirm and wait. It will decrypt your drive completely. Okay, once done, the boot time recovery screen will don't show you BitLocker recovery screen when you are booting your PC. So this is the method to fix it properly and permanently. After making these changes, restart your PC and there is no more recovery screen. And that's it, how you successfully fix the BitLocker recovery screen issue during boot on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech fixes and Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.